welcome to our weekly question time. We've got our star of the week and our superhero of the week. Good morning, guys. What class are you two in?
Barn owls.
Yeah, the F2 barn owls. What's your favourite thing about being in that class?
I like being in the wedding area.
The wedding area? I didn't know you had a wedding area in there.
Yeah, we have some flowers in there, so it's a wedding area. It's not quite set up, but Miss Levitt said me and Lucy could go in.
That sounds pretty cool. What about you?
I love playing with the train tracks.
Yeah, the train tracks. Interesting. Do you play with them every day?
No, sometimes I play in maths area.
In the maths area as well. Nice one. Fantastic. There's something exciting happening in your class right now, isn't there?
Yeah.
What's that?
We have the chickens hatched.
You've got some chickens that have hatched. How many have hatched?
10.
All 10 have hatched now. Fantastic. And did you see them from the eggs breaking out into chicks?
Yeah.
Wow,
Some
that's
of them,
exciting.
not all of them.
That's amazing, that, isn't it?
When
Did it overnight when no one was
When
here?
we came into school the other day, all of some more have hatched because we only had one before that.
Okay, that sounds pretty awesome. Next question. What's your favourite film or your favourite cartoon?
I like Elsa.
Okay, so Frozen.
Yeah, because I am gonna go to because on my other birthday, on my birthday when I was 5, I had an Elsa party, and again I'm just gonna have Olaf and Anna and Elsa and Kristoff.
Okay,
But
sounds cool.
Olaf can't come if Sven has nicked his nose again.
Alright, okay.
Because on the other birthday, he nicked his nose.
Right, uh-oh. What about you? Have you got a favourite film or cartoon?
Elsa 2.
Okay, why?
Because it has the same people, but it's when Kristoff and Anna get married.
Do they? Oh,
Yeah.
I've not seen the second one. Spoiler alert. Glad you enjoy it though. You've seen it, fantastic.
And it gives them a new sleigh.
Does it? Okay, that sounds nice. What job do you want when you're older?
I'm going to be a hospital because my mummy said I'm a lighter.
You're going to be a hospital?
I'm going to be a police.
A nurse? A doctor?
My mummy is going to come to my hospital all the time when I'm grown up in my hospital.
Okay, so are you going to own the hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah, make lots of people better.
I'm going to make people better.
That's a lovely answer. What about you? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Police officer.
A police officer, why?
Bad guys.
Get them bad guys. Yes, I like your thinking.
Because I love wearing police hats. Because I like getting handcuffs and putting them on bad guys.
Yeah, good. I think you'd make a good police officer.
I watched Trinity and Madison and both got handcuffs.
Up there? Okay.
I watched his trucks when there was a policeman and someone wear handcuffs, but he wasn't a bad guy. I just saw his hands and he clicked them on. Then he took them off by a locking thing and it unlocked so he can get them off.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool as well. Next question. Would you rather have a brand new speedboat or a brand new aeroplane?
None.
Which one? Got to pick one of them. A boat or a plane?
Plane.
Okay, you say plane.
Helicopter.
Okay, we'll twist it for that. Can I have a helicopter? What would you do in your plane? Where would you go?
I would be a hospital. Well, I want to be a hospital, so I would use my ambulance to get people so I can drive them to my hospital.
So would you would you use your aeroplane as an ambulance aeroplane?
Yeah, because I'm gonna make it to that because I'm gonna get a hospital bed and drive them to my hospital area so I can make them better, and then I'm gonna drive them back where there was, and then they can phone a taxi.
That's fantastic and very caring. And you said a helicopter. I'll let you have that one. What would you do with your helicopter?
ambulance one because a police one, so I do this, and if there's any bad guy aeroplanes in the sky, so I can catch them and go back to the ground to put them in jail.
Okay, very
so
good.
we're both the same because we're gonna drive them everywhere and
To do good things.
And
You
we're
to
gonna
help people,
fly
him
as
to
well.
arrest the bad guys. And you're going to be flying as well. Fantastic.
Yep.
Next question. If you could pick where you and your family go on holiday next, anywhere in the world,
well,
where would you like to go?
I am going to on holiday with a lot of people, but I don't know what their name is.
Okay, you have a think where you would like to go, because you said Diggerland, didn't you?
Yes.
Why do you want to go to Diggerland?
Because once I've been to Diggerland and I control the digger with my mum.
You do it yourself.
No, with my
Well,
mum.
with your grown up.
I did it with mum because I didn't know how to turn it on and dig, and because I was going to do it crazy, but my mum controlled me how to dig it and put it somewhere so I can keep digging a hole.
Very good. Do you think you'd be able to do it by yourself next time, now you know how to do it?
No, I have to be a grown up.
You have to be with a grown up still, do you?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
I've never
have
been to
be a
Diggerland.
grown-up.
Okay, well it sounds very exciting. Have you
I
anything?
want to go to Greece because I've already been to Greece and it was really nice, but I want to go into a different Greece because there's a lot of areas so you can go to different Greece.
Yeah, different parts of Greece. Fantastic. What would you do when you were in Greece?
I went in the paddling pools and my sister tried to take me down a big slide and I didn't want to, but when my sister went in the hotel and my mum was still out with me, I went on the slides a lot of times and swimmed out and then kept on going.
Wow, well done. It sounds like you had an action-packed holiday. That
I
sounds
did
brilliant.
that before, but no, I don't because I'm scared now because I don't go there now.
Okay, well you might like them when you're a bit older, you might not, that's fine.
But when I'm old, I have to go to a surgery because I need to have an appointment from the police officer if you see a bad guy.
Okay, right.
Usually
Next
don't
question.
have to do that.
If I gave you £1 million right now, what would you do with it?
I would buy a school pet and it would be like 100 bunnies.
Okay, so you'd buy the school 100 bunnies. Interesting choice. What are you doing with the £1 million?
309 tigers.
You'd get a lot of tigers?
Yeah.
Okay, what would you do with your tigers?
I would get like
In forest school.
You'd put all the tigers in forest school? Ooh, that might be a bit scary.
No, then they cover us and they're helpful so I can ride on them.
Okay.
I would actually get 150, 60 rabbits with baby ones and big ones.
Okay, that would be very interesting. My next question is my last question. And it's the weirdest question. Would you rather have a chicken's head but your own body, or would you rather have a chicken's body and your own head?
I would have all of the chicken parts.
You just want to be a complete chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to be a complete chicken. Chicken and dinosaur and tiger and
Hey, what?
and a
How many heads
lizard.
can you
I
have?
didn't say anything about dinosaurs and tigers, just chickens.
How many heads can you even fit on with one head?
Exactly, just one head.
No.
Do you want a chicken head or your head? A chicken's body or your body?
Chicken's body and my own head.
Okay, that'd be weird, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Would it be the same size as you are now?
No, because chickens are just small.
Okay, so you'd be a...
Like our chickens are tiny. Hello.
they've
Yeah,
gone.
and we are big, so we aren't small chickens.
Okay, so you'd be the same size as a chicken, but you'd have this
No.
massive head.
No.
We
I
would
would
be
have
this
both of
tall,
them.
and the chickens are this tall.
Okay,
I
You've lost me. So what we're going to do is show me your craziest face and say goodbye to these people at home.
Bye.
Not very strange.